Knock, 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 knock. Who is it? It's me. Open the door. Be who? The man with a big bag. I don't know who. You. Who with a big bag? The postman with a big bag. Postman? Who? The postman, Philip. Aha! The handsome postman. Hello. Hello, Philip. Hi, Philip. Come in. Ha ha ha. It was troublemaker Tori. Hi! You're from her Tori, and a package from your granny. Great news, and I have a present. Goodbye, Philip. You are a good man.